We have a really exciting video today. If you watched the last video, actually not the last, but the one before the last, I kind of went over Project CB and the update on that, and then also another project car that I was very interested in. Just the Honda game I've been in for a long time. I literally love them. That is I guess my passion of cars is definitely the Hondas. I love Subarus also, but Honda's where I started and probably where I always will be. But to add to my project collection, I picked up a new Civic. Yeah, right here, 97 Civic EX, guys. This is gonna be a fun car because I have a lot of access to the parts on it. It's kind of windy, so I'm not too sure, and this microphone is pointed away from me, so I'm not too sure how good the sound is, but let's deal with it. All right, so yeah, I got it for $2,100. It's pretty much an all original Civic EX97. It was one of the cleanest ones that I could find pretty much online. A lot of the cars, at least, especially out here in California, they already have a swap, or just there's something just always wrong with it. And it was, I was hunting for a few weeks, and this is one that popped up, and just the timing worked out with me and the previous owner. And he was pretty firm on the price because I believe he kind of knew what he had. So I didn't really finagle with him, on that end. I just wanted to make sure it actually was what it was. So when I went and looked at it today, I was really happy to find out that, it was actually a real 97 EX, not molested and not all just beaten to shit. So it does have a little bit of miles on it. Let's see. It has it might be a little dark, 216,000, and it is a 5-speed manual, and it does have the D16 Y8 motor in it, and the interior is super nice. For being this old of a car, it's all original. The headliner's still in pretty good condition. Just right here is a little saggy, but the sunroof works. Everything works. This goes in and out. The lights work. Back seats are not all jacked up or torn. It actually looks like no one really even used them. Yeah, I was really happy with how all this was, and actually all the power mirrors work, the power windows go ahead and work. Let's go ahead and start it up. No exhaust on this one yet. Let's go ahead and check out the motor. So here's the motor. It's a D16 Y8. I thought the valve cover said VTEC on it, but I don't know. I'm not too sure. I don't remember. I don't know if there's enough light in there. And I drove it home probably from about an hour away. Didn't overheat. It ran perfectly. Has a little shimmy in the steering wheel, but besides that, it runs really good. I didn't have any issues. It wasn't smoking. It's not leaking. Now that we got home, it's not there's no fluids on the ground or anything, which is a great sign. The brakes worked out really good. As you can tell, it idles like it should. I'm so happy. I think I actually found a really good project car, a nice solid base. This has some great bones on it. It definitely went to a great home. So, but for right now, I guess essentially my plans for this project right now is I'm not going to worry about the motor build right now. I'm pretty much going to focus on suspension, and that's going to be something that I think you guys will be really excited about, because I'm not going the traditional route that you guys would assume, maybe with some functions or tames or something like that. It's not even going to do that. I think Garage Built Honda had the right idea, because I believe he's kind of an old school game like I am, where you use these other brands, probably more in the Coney ground control area, or something maybe of an Olin that I might work with. I'm not too sure yet, but that's my idea for this one. Some EX power. I'm still not used to this clutch at all, and it kind of pops on third a little bit when you're trying to rev it kind of hard. But it runs really good. Let's see. I haven't hit too much. What the fuck is this guy doing? Because I'm not sure when the VTEC is on this motor. I forgot, like at 5,500 maybe? Something like that? I mean, you guys will know. But let's see if... Oh. See? That's not me. It's going to do that every single time for some reason. You're funny, dude.
I didn't really know what to record, so
It's fun.
I was recording you, then I was recording like this way, and
Cool.
then I recorded your shifting when it went.
Getting shots, huh? There we go. I really want to see how the VTEC engages. See how it starts getting a little wobbly. We're gonna slow it down there a little bit. Get some brakes up on here too. But hey, look at that, guys. It runs. I mean, shit. $2,000 car. Can't complain on this one. This will be a fun project. Oh, got a chipper. Got a chipper. Oh, look at, is that not illegal for him to do?
I was looking at you, I don't know, what did he do?
Look at, he likes to look at, he straight said,
he cut that guy off to...
Oh.
Dang.
Dude, he wasted the action just to go get that guy.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh, he's like eyeballed us right now, you see that?
Did he?
He looked like it. So yes, we added another project to the Robert house. So please stay tuned, please subscribe, smash that button, hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel and the videos so much. If you're interested in see what I'm gonna do to this car, please follow me along. This is Mr. Robert. I'll talk to you later. Bye.